Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So we are looking forward to showing you this great home over in the Moonraker subdivision over in central Panama City Beach.
Absolutely. This is a newer neighborhood. It's a great location right near Shipwreck Island, actually. So that means that you're close to schools, you're close to Lowe's, or, all of the daily needs with Publix, all of that.
You have pretty much everything you need in that location.
And you kind of have two entrances, Back Beach and Middle Beach. So I can't wait to show everybody.
Let's do it. Hey there, I'm checking out this great home over here in Panama City Beach. I'm really loving the open concept living and dining area. In the living space, as you can see, you've got lots of natural light coming in from the windows. Extra touches of a tray ceiling with recessed lighting throughout makes for an extra expansive feeling, gives you that fun beachy feel with the light coming in as well. You've got lots of space in this kitchen. Plenty of cabinetry, a big, gorgeous island with deep sinks allows you to have that extra seating. If you're someone that likes to cook, you have plenty of space to get around, plenty of room for a dining table as well. You have just got to check out this home.
Isn't the living space just beautiful and so expansive? I love it. Well, you're gonna see that same style here in the main ensuite. You've got this expansive king bed with plenty of space on each side. These tray ceilings are here. All this Florida sunshine flooding in, and there's still so much space. And of course, it's a nice, updated, modern ensuite. You've got your tub, you've got your shower, a nice large closet. I love a water closet, just kind of have extra privacy, and these beautiful dual sinks that all cohesively go together throughout the whole house. Let's go see the other bedrooms. This beautiful home boasts 4 beds and 2 baths. You do have a split floor plan here so that, the kids or guests can be away from the main ensuite. You'll notice one of these rooms is being utilized as an office, and it's just perfect use of space for a small family. I do appreciate how the interior finishes are both coastal feeling and updated with modern touches. So a high point of this is this great little use of the backyard. You've got plenty of space here. You've got your grills, your table, everything that you need. And in all honesty, as long as you don't want to mow a big yard, this one's perfect. They've added these pavers, you've got space back here, and you even have room for your fur babies to still use the backyard as well. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you to find out all the finer details.
And don't go away. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.